Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you circles chapter. These type of questions will also helpful in all competitive exams, all board exams like CBSE, ICSE, all state board exams. So my name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Dare to Success, made in India. Today I wanted to discuss with you circles chapter. This type of questions, very easy, tricky solution within 10 seconds. I wanted to explain you. Question is find the equation of the circle passing through the point 2, 3 and concentric with the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Aims Dare to Success, super shortcut tips tricks solution. So first of all, write given circle. Circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Next given point is 2, 3. So now I wanted to write concentric circle formula. Generally, standard equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2a5 plus c is equal to 0. Here I wanted to take concentric with the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus constant k is equal to 0. Only we have to change constant value. So according to our given question, concentric circle is according to our question x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 you can remove and write plus k is equal to 0 and read the question. Passing through the point 2, 3. So passing through 2, 3 in this circle we get x is 2, y is 3, substituting here 2 square plus y square is 3 square plus 8 into x value 2 plus 12 into y value 3 plus k is equal to 0. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 8 2s are 16 plus 12 3s are 36 plus k is equal to 0. 4 plus 9 13 and 16 and 36 you can add. 6 plus 6 12 12 plus 3 15 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 2 6 65 plus k is equal to 0. This 65 is coming into right side, we get k is equal to minus 65. So this k value I wanted to substitute here, concentric with the circle formula. So the given equation of the concentric circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus k is equal to 0. K value I am writing here. We get x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y, k value minus 65 is equal to 0 is the concentric circle by using the given point 2, 3 and circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Similar question, similar model I wanted to explain you. Question is find the equation of the circle passing through the point minus 2, 14 and concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Aims Dare to Success, super shortcut tips and tricks solution within 10 seconds, especially made for you. Now I wanted to write given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Next I wanted to write given point. That point is minus 2, 14. Next I wanted to write concentric circle formula. for the equation of the standard form. Circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Remove that c, you can write plus k is equal to 0. Only the difference is a constant term from standard equation of the circle. Now I wanted to write for this question equation of concentric circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. You can remove minus 12 and you can write a plus k equal to 0. Either positive or negative constant term you can remove as it is and write plus k is equal to 0. And passing through that point, minus 2 comma 14 is x comma y. Substituting here we get minus 2 whole square plus 14 whole square minus 6 into x value minus 2 minus 4 into y value is 14 plus k equal to 0. Minus 2 the power even number, it becomes positive symbol. 2 2s are 4 plus 14 14 jar. If you don't know 14 14 jar, you can multiply. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. Next 1 14 are 14, 6 4 plus 4 8, 186. 14 14 are 186. Minus into minus plus 6 into 2 12. Minus into plus minus 14 4s are 1 minute here 14 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 196. Sorry, not 196, 186. 196 is the right answer. Next 14 4s are 56 plus k is equal to 0. Here positive numbers, 3 terms. 196 plus 4 is 200. 200 plus 12 is 212 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. So 212 minus 56. Here 12, here 0. 12 minus 6 is 6. 20 minus 5 is 15. 156 plus k is equal to 0. This 156 coming into right side, we get k is equal to minus 156. We got k value. Now I am substituting equation of the concentric circle. So what is the equation of the concentric circle according to the given question? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. K value minus 156. So substituting here we get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. K value is minus 156 is equal to 0 is the equation of the concentric circle from the given question. Point is minus 2 comma 14 and circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Similar concept, one more question I wanted to explain you. The question is find the equation of the circle which passes through the point 1 comma 1 and concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Aims date to success, super shortcut tips and tricks solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. Now I wanted to write a given circle. Circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and I am writing given point. Given point is 1 comma 1. So now I wanted to write a formula. What is the formula? We wanted to find concentric circle. So concentric circle formula for standard equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy. Actually plus c is constant. Here remove that constant and you can write plus k is equal to 0. Only the change is constant term. C remove karna, k add karna. Next here point 1 comma 1 you have to substitute. 1 is x, 1 is y. So 1 comma 1 substituting in this formula we get 1 square plus y value 1 whole square plus 2g into 1 place 2f into 1 place k is equal to 0 according to this, but we wanted to substitute our given question circle. I mean x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Like this you can substituting here, no need to write this one. So but substituting, how to substitute I wanted to explain you, that's why I told you like that. So here you can substitute x comma y is 1 comma 1. Here we get 1 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 6 into x value 1 minus 4 into y value 1 minus 12 remove करना plus k is equal to 0 लिखना. So place k is equal to 0. 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1 minus 6 ones are 6 minus 4 ones are 4 plus k is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 plus k is equal to 0. 2 minus 10, small number minus big number is negative symbol, then 10 minus 2 is 8 minus 8 plus k equal to 0. To get k value minus 8 coming into another side, we get k is equal to 8. After getting this k value you can write equation of the concentric circle. Equation of the concentric circle: x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k equal to 0 is formula. So k value substituting we get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k value 8 is equal to 0 is the equation of the concentric circle for the given point 1 comma 1 and circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the answer. Hi my dear students and friends, if you wanted to get like this type of model super shortcut tips tricks solutions from subject wise and chapter wise and topic wise, so many playlists are there in the description box. Otherwise you can check so many super shortcut tips tricks solution playlists are there in my channel Aims Day to Success. So you can check, you can practice from that, you will save your time and you will get 100% sure success. Gunshot questions also there, IPE wise you can take and practice. I wish you all the very best my dear friends and students. Thank you. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.